Today is my first time visiting our brand new Menards store here in Joplin. Come inside with me and let's check it out. When we first entered, the first thing we noticed is all this food and snacks and fireworks. Unbelievably, Menards has an amazing selection of food items. So they have snacks, drinks, they have dairy case, frozen foods, cereals. Notice how well stocked the shelves are. You could literally come here and buy everything that you need. There's a wonderful selection for pet toys and food. For all the brand names that you've come to trust, this is truly a one-stop shop. The bathroom section. There's a great selection of cabinetry. No matter what your taste, you can find something that you're going to love here at Menards. Menards also has an amazing design center where you can design your own kitchen. No matter your budget, you'll find something that fits your needs and your desires. The appliance section has everything you need for your home. Dishwashers, refrigerators, ranges, microwaves, washers, dryers in all styles, colors, and designs. Menards has an amazing selection of lighting for your home. Every size, color, design, shape, style, anything you would need for your home. The garden center has a wide variety of veggies and herbs, as well as annuals, perennials, shrubs, trees, everything you need to brighten your outdoor space. Not only does Menards have everything that you need for home improvement and decor, but your everyday items like paper goods, cleaning supplies, small appliances, more cleaning supplies, batteries. I'm just so amazed at the selection. And to top it off, they have food and clothing. There's auto care and tools. Menards has a fantastic selection of everything you need to make your outdoor space beautiful. Grills, furniture, decor, anything you need. Another cool thing about Menards is they have all their carpet on these rolls, and you can pick what you want, and the cutting station will cut it to whatever length that you want to get it. They also have the same setup for rolled vinyl flooring. Everything that you could possibly want for your home is right here at Menards. If you haven't been to our local Menards yet, you need to stop by. Menards has everything you need for home, garden, outdoor living, everything.